What's going on? Back to Joey's Life. So today on Joey's Life, we got another snowstorm. It's not as big as yesterday. Yesterday was a very big snowstorm. Today it's a bit smaller, but we're still gonna pass the snowblower, and it's a lot later in the afternoon. It's 3:12. Oh, that's Siri. It's 3:13. So it's pretty late in the afternoon. But I'll show you about what we got. We got about 5 centimeters, which isn't that much. But before I get right into the video, could you guys please like, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and yeah. This is the snow we got. It's not that deep, but it's deep enough for the snowblower. And then that's the place where we didn't pass the snowblower yesterday, where we are gonna pass it today. So yeah, just a bunch of snow. Oh well. And then my dad might do my 4-wheel trail, but it's unbelievable. But I was able to go to my backyard. I was able to come in through my literally. Well, earlier I started my 4-wheeler, and I didn't think I would make it, but I made it all around my trail in about 32 centimeters of snow. I don't know how I didn't stay stuck, but the only trick I'll give you is do not let go the gas. I was just pushing the gas to the maximum, like literally. But still, I would like my dad to clean my 4-wheeler trail. And today there's a lot of wind, so sorry for that. But enjoy, guys. Okay, so there he is. Okay. There's a lot of wind, so it's blowing back towards our faces. Literally, there's so much wind. There's literally so much wind that just blows back towards our face. Let me place this thing so you can see him entirely. Perfect. Wow. Because at that place of the driveway there's a bit more rocks, and sometimes the rocks can come out at any side, so that's why I went away. I don't want to get hit by a rock. That hurts. I'm gonna reattach my boots. My boot. I have only one That's a lot of wind. Wow. A lot of wind. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. There's my dad. Whoa. This was not planned. Whew. Wait up a second. Leave my coat alone. Ay, 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 this dog. Okay. Wow. This was just full of snow. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna move this. Okay, I'll move this tripod. Okay, be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Let's stop this other GoPro. That's a big boy. Guys, you should hear this start. Yeah, that's a ram. Okay, so I'm back, guys, after a lot of stuff that happened. So I was trying to pat the snowblower. The dog ran away. I don't know, he got scared when I started the snowblower. He ran away. He got out of his collar. He went away. We caught him. I bit my tongue. And then I passed the snowblower, and now my dad is doing my 4-wheeler trail. So yeah, a lot of stuff happened when the cameras were closed, which I don't know why it happens when the cameras are closed. It shouldn't. It should happen when the cameras are on. Literally, that's my 4-wheeler trails right there. That's my 4-wheeler marks. So I was able to go through. I don't know how I did this, but I did it. That was earlier today. These gloves are a bit big to hold the GoPro, but yeah. I don't know why this stuff always happens when it's not on camera. When I'm off camera, it's annoying, because I would love to show you guys what's a real life like for us. I would have loved to film myself passing the snowblower, but I didn't get ready fast enough, so I thought doing it, but then my dog ran away. We had to catch him. We did, and I just forgot about filming. Oh well. should have seen my face at the end. My tooth was full. I was full of snow. Also because I jumped into a pile of snow to catch my dog or whatever, and then he didn't have a collar, so I like had to grip him like this. So so I could hold him during the time my parents went and got a slip leash. A slip leash, you just slide it around his neck and it's on. So yeah, whatever. Stuff happens. But he didn't learn yet how he should stay in the yard and not run away. Okay, so I'm back. You guys are on the GoPro. It's definitely the image. It's everything okay. You guys are on the four-wheeler. That's what I meant. I don't know what I said. Why I said you're on the GoPro. Whatever. You're on the four-wheeler. Shaking noise because I have a broken fender. One of my fenders is cracked. There's a stick over there that I'll go and get. Oh shit. Oh, come on, Tiger. Yes, my brother doesn't have a name. His name is Tiger. Tiger, the little Arctic cat. That I'm gonna trade in. That we're gonna trade in for a bigger. Oh shit, yeah, there is a stick right there. Should know where it is. It's around the shed where I passed the scraper. And now the problem that I have is that it's not large enough for me to turn around. Look, I'm able to back up right here and turn around and go straight. Check. Like, you see the line that's in the middle? Well, that's because he messed up a little bit. That happens every year. It's okay. Sometimes it happens. But it's fine. So I've been on the four-wheeler for about, I don't know, about 2 minutes. And my fingers are already frozen. I don't know why. I think I froze my fingers just by being forward. Normally it takes about 10 minutes, but now it's, I don't know why. But now I've been on the four-wheeler only for 2 minutes and it's already frozen. I don't know why. Maybe because when I put the GoPro on here, I had to take it off from the handle that I was on, okay? And then I had to put it on here. But to do that, the gloves that I'm wearing are like super huge, so I'm not able to take the thumb screw off. So I had to take my gloves off, then put the GoPro on the four-wheeler. And I didn't have gloves when I was doing this. So I think that's why my fingers are already frozen. Helmet, but none of my helmet fits, so that's why I'm not doing too much crazy stuff. Like, yes, I do go fast, but I be careful every time I go fast because I don't have a helmet on right now. My first helmet that we bought doesn't fit, my second helmet doesn't fit, so we'll go buy one maybe next week or something. That when we're gonna get the big four-wheeler, the big four-wheel drive, so that when we're gonna get our big four-wheel drive four-wheeler, at least I'll have a helmet for it. So yeah. Sheesh, lady, wow, 30 secondes. Ouais. My dad is just cleaning his snowblower right now. I'll show you guys. Okay, let's go, guys. I'm gonna go ride, but Okay, let's go, and my hands are freezing. Here, especially you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Peace out.